Oh. Oh no, I parked in the mud. Mom's gonna be pissed. What is up, guys? Today we're starting off with a flash flood. It's pretty bad. It's actually, it's really bad. So today we're starting off the day, and I think we're tuning a G35. So Kenny and I got our UpRev license, which is like the program and the cable you need to tune newer Nissans. I'm a little nervous because the whole UpRev software is a little bit different than traditional tuning, I guess, in terms of like standalones. So they use their own measurements for things, and we're gonna see. All I know is there's not much room for power gains when you're tuning like stock motor VQs, I guess. But you can get them more dialed in, you can get them safer, and you can make them make some cool noises. So, Jesus. All right, somehow made it to the dyno in one piece. Let's try to make some jam today, boys. So to start the day off, we will be dynoing a 2015 Peterbilt. Nah, I mean, that'd be cool. Probably blow the dyno into pieces. But nah, this is just getting worked on. And the Infinity is coming in. Haha, good joke, Jimmy. Yeah, I'm funny.
Ready? Ready to do some tuning?
Ready? No, what are we tuning? I'm on my lunch break, man. I'm ready to relax.
Tuning a G35.
Sick. With rev up?
UpRev.
UpRev? Yeah. Rev up, man.
Rev up, doggy.
Rev up if you know something. You know what I'm saying? Come up in here, rev it up. I want to hear that shit.
So B, I've never tuned a Infinity before, or a newer Infinity. It's a little weird. I made myself a little cheat sheet this morning. They have like a little tuner guide on their website for the tuners, and I went through it. Give it a little college boy touch. Made myself a cheat sheet.
Did some research. The smart thing to do.
That's what I'm saying.
Good job.
So we'll do it.
Whose car are you tuning?
Whose car are we tuning?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know his first name because I've only talked to him on Instagram. I guess I'll find out very soon, but I'll put his Instagram right here. They checked it out.
He
right?
never puts it there. It'll probably end up being in the description.
No, guy. I always. If I say in description, I always miss it. But if I say right here, I always get it. Right?
Sorry for the shade.
We're gonna do a baseline first to see what it's doing right now. We're gonna log it just to see, you know, what it's putting out for everything, and just go from there.
Talk about this?
Okay. So it made it made less than his S13. 73 horsepower. That
Somehow. I didn't think that was possible.
I don't know what to say. I don't know whether it's a cry or to like. Fuck it. Let's just swap it.
So the good news is this was a baseline.
Okay.
Right? We knew it had a random misfire.
Right.
They fixed a little bit of shit.
Okay.
It didn't blow up, so you're already doing better than some people.
Oh shit, bet.
And you can really, I don't think it could get lower.
Hopefully not.
No.
All right, so you guys saw that the car literally made no power, which is insane. 70 horsepower, I mean, it's missing probably 180 horsepower or so. We just did a pull on the previous tune that was on it, and it was kind of all over the place. So we're just gonna start fresh. We got like the factory map back on it, and we're gonna go from there.
That was fucking amazing. Okay. 75.
We made 2 horsepower. What?
I had a shit ton of fuel. Oh. So the lower this number is, the more fuel.
Okay.
And it was fucking tapped out as low as it'll go.
The guy had them.
Damn.
The fit middle of the rack.
So we got the curve nice.
So,
But we're having some issues, and we think that the cats have collapsed and they're fully clogged. It's pretty bad. Put your hand over both the mufflers. One is probably 3 times the temperature of the other one. It's pretty bad. So looks like it's gonna need some test pipes or just new cats, but probably test pipes to delete the cats, and it should be good to dyno again. But holy crap, that is insane. The loss of horsepower due to collapsed cats is nuts. I didn't think it'd be that crazy, especially for just an NA vehicle like this. So I think they're gonna send the G over to Justin at Morfab, and he's actually gonna delete the cats. And we should be good to go. And then we can just clean the tune up and we should be fine. But in the meantime, homie's hooking me up with a part for my GTI, and we decided to throw it on in the meantime, and I'm actually pretty excited. I know a lot of you guys like the GTI mods, and this will be the first one, and it's gonna be cool. First mod, Kenny, what are we doing?
We're gonna free up some horse puppies, give them a nice cleaner path to get into the horse puppy destruction device.
What do we got here?
This one, APR Carbano Stage 2. I got this brand new. I used it on my Mk6 and then I got rid of it. So you can honestly have it because, like,
dude, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. This is gonna be cool. I hope it makes some more boosty noises.
Hell yeah. If you open this up, you'll actually see the way it is, the filter.
Damn. Kenny, you're a carbon butt hurt.
I love carbon. Let's check this stuff out. So, okay, so I was doing a little bit of research the other day on how they make carbon, like, intake pipings. So they'll make it out of metal, and then what they do is they pour like a silicone plug into it and then cut the metal away.
Like a butt plug.
Yeah, literally, it's like a butt plug, and that's how you get nice, smooth inner casting. Is
decided to show up.
And I'm about to leave.
this is nice. You thought I was going for the titty, but I didn't like the name tag. Okay.
Oh no, I meant to leave it at work because I always lose it.
Idiot. Okay.
Shit!
Here, RJ. Can you pull this pipe for me? There we go.
Did you really just chuck that shit in your car?
Yeah, that guy's a piece of shit.
No. Whoa. Alright, so we gotta get this out, which is 2 Torx bits.
Ready to install.
My very own APR vacuum cleaner.
How stoked are you?
Pretty hype.
Are you even stoked?
What's it? I cannot wait to hear how this sounds.
Okay. See,
What are you guys doing?
You got needle nose?
I ran into the wrong. I have the wrong.
Set of tools?
Yeah.
Because you don't have anything to work on a Volkswagen?
I mean, this is like a common tool that.
Do they sell you a toolkit when you buy a Volkswagen?
Yeah, it's plaid, like plaid loafers.
It's a gun and one bullet. That's what it is.
A gun and one.
Oh damn!
What do you think, RJ?
How much lighter does this thing make your car? You think you're gonna keep up with Tommy and Fiasco Miata now?
Be so sick.
Oh, damn, what the fuck is that? Oh, shit. Got all 200,000.
You know how you can tell they use good clear coat? Look at the little rainbow.
Is that the?
That's the tick.
That's the chick.
That's the
Okay. Dude, this thing looks really good. I got the cover on. Look at official. First mod. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it.
Welcome, bro.
Now the real question is, will it make more noise?
Hell yeah, it's gonna make more noise. Let's find out.
But, like,
All right, let's really hear what this new intake sounds like. I'm excited. All right, let's hear it. Oh, that's new. Oh, psych. It's a Passat. Oh, goddamn. Oh, okay. Damn, dude. That was crazy.
Oh my god, it's loud.
It's right there.
Bro, my mother, I think the exhaust fell off.
Did it?
Yeah, it fell off!
Listen, limp dick. That's me later.
Yo, Jimmy's face is priceless.
Totally tricked you guys, right? Yeah, I tricked you. Just let me have that. Dude's 2-stepped his exhaust off. That's a first one.
Oh yeah, just swinging. Look at it.
Limp dick.
Let's see if we can even actually hear this intake, even though the car is completely stock. Let's put this thing in. Here, Garrett, you're man in the camera.
I got you.
All right, guys, keep your ears peeled. Let's see if we can hear that nice sucking noise we all love. Oh, I can hear it. You hear that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, not. I'm a fully stock exhaust. You're not gonna hear shit, but definitely notice it. That's pretty cool. When I get a downpipe and I get the tune on it, this thing is gonna bark. I can't think of enough for this intake. That is bad ass. This thing is. I mean, if anything, it looks really freaking cool.
Yeah, nice little carbon box. You know what else we need to do on this is a muffler delete.
A muffler. Yes.
That's all you have to do, and they sound great.
We're gonna get some Mexican food and go back to the shop.
That's the standard issue.
All right, so I ended up not being more productive. I actually been working on my S13 engine harness for like the past 2 hours. Kind of got in the zone. I decided to redo the one for the S13 and make it like perfect. Because you guys know how much I like making my life a living hell. So today was cool, kind of. So we had the G35, and as you guys saw, made 81 horsepower, which is baffling because that car should make 260 horsepower, and it made 80. It shows you how crazy of a power loss you could have for dumb shit like having a clogged cat, which is pretty devastating. Shout out to the homie again for hooking it up with the intake for the Volkswagen, which is pretty sick. It's definitely way nicer than anything I would ever bought for that car. I think it's pretty cool first mod on the GTI, and it's definitely pretty badass. It's going to go really well when I get the downpipe in. It's going to flow really nice, and definitely see the gains then, and we'll definitely actually hear some noise from it. So besides that, I think that's all I really got today. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.